Connectors 2. Connectors for compare and contrast writing. Connectors can help add coherence to your writing. Remember, writing that has coherence is well organized and the ideas flow clearly and smoothly. Connectors are words and phrases that make it easier for readers to follow your ideas. For example, therefore and next are connectors. Transition words and phrases are connectors that can introduce new information or link ideas between sentences and between paragraphs. Two examples of transition words are first and then. In addition, there are other connectors that can link ideas between sentences and between paragraphs. These connectors, such as also and since, can also link ideas within a single sentence. Some connectors are used more often in certain kinds of essays than others. In a comparison essay, the writer compares two or more things. The writer shows how the things are alike or how they are different. For example, look at these topics for comparison essays. The first essay will compare dress codes in Chinese businesses and Japanese businesses. It will show what the dress codes have in common. The second essay will compare global companies and national companies. It will show how they are different. There are a number of connectors that are particularly useful for adding coherence to comparison essays. To help show similarities, useful transition words and phrases include one similarity, another similarity, similarly, and likewise. Other useful connectors to show similarities include similar to, the same as, like, both, and also. Now look at these sentences from a comparison essay that shows similarities between dress codes in Japan and China. Look at the connectors the writer used to make the writing more coherent. Similar to links ideas within a single sentence. One similarity and another similarity, transition phrases, introduce new information. Also and likewise, connectors that are not transition words, link ideas between sentences in this example. In addition to connectors that show similarities, there are also connectors that help show differences. Useful transition words and phrases to show differences include one difference, another difference, however, and on the other hand. Other useful connectors to show differences include instead, instead of, although, but, and whereas. Now look at these sentences from a comparison essay that discusses the differences in evening business attire and daytime business attire in Malaysia. Look at the connectors the writer used. Instead of and but, which are not transition words, link ideas within individual sentences. One difference and another difference are transition phrases that introduce new information. However, links an idea in one sentence to an idea in another sentence.